Hello friends. Today my lecture is concerning the fifth chapter of Natya Shastra, namely Purvaranga Vidhanam. Before coming to the main point, let me illustrate the meaning of Purvaranga. What is the meaning of Purvaranga? Friends, Purva, it means at first, and Ranga, it means stage. Firstly, whatever is performed on the stage by some characters, that is called Purvaranga. Before starting the main plot, before starting the drama, whatever activities are done on the stage by Sutradhara or any other character, that is called Purvaranga. It is performed for making happy the audience. Or making happy the gods. We just pray to the god that whatever we are going to play on the stage, which plot we are going to play on the stage, that should be continued without any interruption. Because there are so many evil powers. Enemies of devas or gods, Daitya. They used to do. They used to interrupt when the play is going on the stage. That's why Lord of Brahma told that firstly, at the first, Purvaranga should be performed on the stage before starting any kind of main plot. That is called Purvaranga. Let me go to the main point. The main point is, how should we perform, how should we present a play on the stage? What should we do at the first? And at first moment should be Purvaranga. After completing Purvaranga, what should we perform on the stage? It is illustrated in Sahitya Darpana, which is the most popular text of Indian dramaturgical science. तत्र पूर्वं पूर्वरंगः सभा पूजा ततः परं कथनं कवि संज्ञादये नाटकस्याप्यथ आमुखम्. It means तत्र पूर्वं पूर्वरंगः. At first there should be performed Purvaranga. Sabha puja tata param. After performing Purvaranga, there should be performed something to make happy the audience. That is called Sabha puja. Like in Avigyan Shakuntalam, Isha Disha Chumbitani Brahmarah Sukumar Kesari Shikhani Avata Sayati Dayamanaha Dip Pramadaha Shrish Kushumani. Its sloka is recited to make happy the audience, because we we should we have to concentrate, the audience have to concentrate whatever is playing on the stage. They have to, their attention should be there. For getting their attention, we have to play something to concentrate their mind towards stage. That is called sabha puja. Then tatra purvam पूर्वरंगः सभा पूजा तथा परम कथनम कवि संज्ञादेः. कथनम कवि संज्ञादेः, it means kavi sangya, who is the producer of that play, who is the producer or director of that film, we should announce the name of that him or them. After performing sabha puja, we should announce the name of director or producer. That is called kathanam kavi sangyadehe. Natakasya api, also drama's name. What is the name of that play? Like Padmavat, बाजीराव मस्तानी, बाहुबली, किस किस को प्यार करो, हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड. These are the name of plays. After performing sabha puja, we have to announce the name of director or producer, and after announcing the name of director or producer, we have to announce the name of play. This play is going to be performed by your characters. कथनम कवि संज्ञादेः नाटकस्य अपि अथ आमुखम. अथ, after that we have to perform आमुखम. आमुखम नाम प्रस्तावना. प्रस्तावना, it means introduction of the play. Introduction of the play. नटी विदूषको वापि पारिपार्श्विक एव वा सूत्रधारेण सहितः संलापं यत्र कुर्वते. नटी, विदूषका, सूत्रधारा, these are some characters of drama told in Indian dramaturgy. Nati, Vidushaka, Sutradhar. Some conversation should be between all of them regarding the main plot. Which main plot is going to be started by you. Regarding that plot, some lines, some points should be discussed on the stage by Natti, Sutradhara or Vidushaka. That is called introduction of the plot. Then this is the theory of presenting a play on the stage. What should we do at first? What should we do after that? This is a principle of presenting a play on the stage. Not we should go, we should present at first all the characters we should send there on the stage. And don't start the main plot at first. Before starting the main plot, we have to do some formalities to entertain or to make happy the audience or gods. It is illustrated by sage Bharata and a huge commentator of Natya Shastra, namely Acharya Abhinav Gupta. They described this theory to present a play on the stage. I repeat once again. Firstly, we have to perform Purvaranga. Purvaranga has 19 parts, but Nandi is the most popular and most delectable part of Purvaranga, which should be performed on the stage by Sutradhara. Sutradhara is a character of main character of play. You can say director. Sutradhara is a director of that play. Nandi should be performed at the first on the stage by Sutradhara. Why? To make happy the audience, to get their attention towards stage. After performing Purvaranga, we should perform Sabha Puja. And after performing Sabha Puja, we should announce the name of director, producer, or name of the drama or play. And after doing all that, we should introduce the main plot of your play. This is a theory of to present the play on the stage. This is an Indian theory.